Let's recover recently deleted posts on Instagram. Now, if you went through your profile and maybe you deleted a post and then you decided, I didn't necessarily mean to delete that, I want to get it back, you can always recover it. I'll show you how to do that. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps my channel out a lot. Thanks, guys. So let's hop into Instagram here, and I'm going to delete a post and then restore it or recover it. So I'm going to tap on the profile at the bottom right. And then I'm just going to go into one of these random posts right here. And then hit the three dots at the top right and hit delete and delete. So this will delete it from my personal profile here. You can see it is no longer here. But if I wanted to find it and recover it, all I have to do is hit the three lines at the top right. And then go into your activity. Scroll down a bit and there is recently deleted. So I can go in there. And here is my post, and all I have to do is tap on it, hit those three dots, and then hit restore. Now keep in mind, hit restore again. Now keep in mind here it said 30 days next to it, so you have 30 days from deleting a post to restoring it. So if it is 31 days, you cannot get that post back. You can look in your gallery on your phone to hopefully have that photo that you can go back and publish it again, but there's no way on Instagram to restore it after that 30-day window. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.